Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video for the Roblox scripting tutorial series. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you about Leaderstats. If you don't know what Leaderstats are, don't worry, because now I will show you. So for today's video we are going to be building a clicking simulator. So all simulators tend to have some Leaderstats, and to create Leaderstats you need to add a folder inside the player which contains all the different values you want to be seen. So now I will explain you how to create it. So every time a player joins, we want to add a folder to them, right? So we first need to detect when a player joins. So we can do that by using game.players.playerAdded, which will give us this player parameter. Now we need to create a folder by using the instance.new method. So local folder is going to be instance.new folder, and we will place it inside the player. And now folder.name has to be Leaderstats. Okay, so now if we just play this, you will see how now whenever we join there is nothing here yet, but if we open the player object you can see how it has this Leaderstats folder. So now we want to create the coins int value, so we will do that by just typing local coins equals to instance.new, and it will be an int value since it won't have any decimals, and this one will have to be placed inside the folder we created. Then coins.name to coins and coins.value equals to 0. So it is that easy. Now if we play this, you can see how now we can see how we have this coins value which starts off being 0. So now if we wanted to make, for example, a clicking simulator, what we will need to do is create a button that needs to be clicked for this value, this coins value, to increase by 1, right? So I'll just create here the button real quick. Okay, I'll just call it click, and the text of it click me. So now we will add a local script inside this text button, and well, all kinds of buttons have this property, which is mouse button one click. Okay, so this event will fire whenever this button is clicked. Okay, so now what we want to do is increase the player's coins by 1. So we can't do it through the client since we want all players to see it. So we will need to fire a remote event so the server then actually increases the coins value. So I will just add here a remote event, which is, well, I will call it click, and then detect it here in this script. So whenever the button is clicked, we will need to fire this click remote event. Okay, this will be the local script. So now here in our script we need to actually detect when this remote event is fired. So game.replicated.storage.click.onServerEvent connect function, and we can also get this player parameter. And now, well, here the AI is already giving us our code, but let's just type it manually. player.leaderstats.coins.value plus equal 1. So right now what we are doing is, first of all, when the player joins, we create a Leaderstats folder inside them, which contains this coins int value. Then we also have this menu with a button which, when clicked, it will fire this click remote event, which will be detected by this same script, and whenever it detects that it has been fired, it will increase the player's coins value by 1. So if we play this, you will see how now we start off with 0 coins, and whenever we click it, they increase. Okay, so this will be a really simple clicking simulator. Of course, then you will add rebirths and multipliers and things like that, but we won't dig into that for now. Now, apart from adding numbers to Leaderstats, we can also use strings or booleans. So let's just do that. So imagine, let's just create a rank value, which will be a string value, and of course also add it to the folder. Rank.name is going to be rank, then rank.value, let's just say newbie, for example, for a player starting out, and then a bool value saying whether the player is in the group, for example. So is in group, going to be instance.new bool value, and place it also inside the folder. Is in group dot name is going to be is in group. Is in group dot value equals to false, for example. So now if we just play this, you will see how the player's leader stats has this coins value set to 0, a rank which would be newbie, and is in group which is 0, since, well, in bool values, okay, if you have, for example, set it to false, it is equal to 0, but true is equal to 1. Okay, so this is just a thing to keep in mind. And well, as you can see here inside the player, now we have this folder, and this folder has multiple values which we can always change. Okay, the rank here it's newbie, coins is 0, is in group is false. Okay, so this is pretty much everything about Leaderstats. So that will be everything for today's video. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe so more people find my channel. Bye!